we are doing bandit and we are directly proceeding to level 0 and level 1. So first of all, I'm gonna connect to the labs. We'll say SSH and we'll say bandit level 0. After that, we'll copy this from here. We'll say at the rate, paste it, then port number that would be 2220. We'll press enter. The password is bandit 0. We'll clear. The password for the next level is stored in the readme. We'll do ls and this is the readme file. We can cat this readme file and it shows what is written in the readme file. We'll say Control Shift C to copy this and we'll clear the screen. Control Shift T. We'll save the password 0. We'll go to level 1, clear. We'll say bandit 1 and we'll paste the password. We'll clear the screen. We'll say cat everything. We'll copy this. We'll paste it. We'll clear the screen and we'll move to level 3. The password for the next level is stored in the file called spaces in this file name located in the home directory. We'll say control D. We'll clear the screen. We'll say bandit 3. We'll press enter and we'll paste the password. We'll do level 1 to 2. We'll do bandit 2 and we'll paste the file. We'll clear the screen. Now the password for the next level is stored in the file name spaces. We'll say ls. We'll cat. Press tab after doing cat. Press up arrow for the previous command and then enter. We can paste the password by Control Shift V. Hold Shift while copying and pasting on the terminal. And we are doing level 3. The password for the next level is stored in hidden file in the in here directory. We'll do ls. We'll cd into in here directory. We'll ls. We'll ls al. And now we can cat the hidden file. We got the password for level 4.